This brand is made in Canada and is a part of ECR International. The furnaces are available in the USA and Canada but only through their limited dealer network, and their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The furnaces offer an optional variable speed blower motor and feature durable stainless steel heat exchangers. The KLR models are basic lowboy furnaces with an 87.8% AFUE combustion efficiency, while the KHM models are multi-position furnaces for flexibility in installation. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.